Hey guys, made it 35 here on BoxBusters.tv. Guys, it's January 18th, 2016. We're doing 2 boxes of 2015 Bowman Chrome Football, number 1, break number 1. Thank you so much, guys, for getting into this. I appreciate it. Good luck to all of you. If you guys ever have any questions, go ahead and email me on eBay. I'll do the best I can get back to you as soon as I can. Here we go. Sure the Manny cam's all up. All right, here we go. Box 1, Bowman Chrome. If you guys are having problems refreshing, continue to refresh. If you have any problems, just go ahead and go to the video. The video is always pretty crystal clear. So here we go. Bowman Chrome baseball. Getting ready for baseball. Come on. Pretty excited. Here we go. Oh, absolutely, man. I'm a grader, man. I like to grade cards. If you guys ever want to grade anything that I pull, just let me know. It's the guy that I submit them to. We do it twice a month. But I'm a huge grader. I like grading prospects and all that stuff, man. I'm a huge collector. Last pack. Yeah, let me know, Greg. Yeah, just go ahead and message me. I actually don't I don't take any money out of it. It's I think it's $12 for 10 days. And if you want me to look at them, also my partner looks at them. And if we don't foresee them to be gradable, like to be a 9, 5, or 10, we let them know. And let's just want them to be graded. So they inspect them really well. Does a fantastic job. So here we go. Good luck, guys. Yep, it's $12. Oh, first hit. Gilbert for the Brewers. First auto. I submit them to Beckett. A friend of mine does. He gets a hell of a deal. It's $12 with the auto. I think it's 10 without. And I don't make any money out of it. I just do it for guys that want it done. So I get nothing out of it. You just need to do all the work to send it in. Gilbert for the Brewers. Yeah, man, just message me on eBay about it. Congratulations to the Brewers. First hit. All right, here we go. Amos for the Pirates, tall boy, non-numbered. Die cut Blake for the Red Sox. Brandon for the Mets. Purple, there we go. Sergio out of 250 for the Diamondbacks. Purple, we got purple. Congratulations to the Diamondbacks. Purple. Congratulations out of 250. 233 out of 250 for the Diamondbacks. Refractor. Herrera for the Phillies. Let's keep rolling. Here we go. Tall boy Taylor, Miami Marlins. Tall boy. Here we go. Jacob for the Mets die cut series next. For the Mets. Purple. Dustin. Out of 250 for the Mariners. A little purple action. Some more purple. We love color. Here we go. Paper. Byron Buxton for the Twins. And Hunter Dozier for the Royals. You guys still with me? Paper. And green. Mark Green out of 99 for the Athletics. I feel like I'm lagging, guys. I do apologize. But you guys can watch it on the video later. Alright. And Orlando for the Brewers. And that was box 1. Here we go with box 2. Good luck, guys. Alright. Here we go. Good luck. See a green in there. It's autoed. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Yeah, Greg, I do pretty good on them. I do okay. I'd like to do the bigger case breaks, but I'll be honest with you, with eBay, it's tough. Ahmed for the Mets, I'd love to be breaking cases instead, but I was getting killed. Christian for the Mets, a die cut. So, and then I try to pre-price everything, and it's hard to ever break. Kyle Green out of 99 for the Padres. Green refractor. Yep, there's always going to be a few, but overall it's okay. Josh Morgan for the Mets refractor out of 499. Congratulations to the Rangers, not the Mets, the Rangers. Sorry about that. Got another colored refractor for the Rangers. There we go. $4.99. Dylan for the Yankees die cut series next. Mark Appel, excuse me, for the Astros, tall boy. Here we go. Tyler for the Pirates, tall boy. Yeah, I don't mind sorting. I really don't. Don't mind it at all. Rule Mondesi for the Royals, tall boy. And our last hit, Grayson for the Tigers. Where's the first rounders at? Shoot. Congratulations to the Tigers. Grayson for the Tigers. I don't know, man. I don't check until usually the next day. Then I break it down and see. Michael for the Astros. I really don't know, sir. Ryan Howard out of 250 for the Phillies. It's a nice insert. Ryan Howard. And Dominic Smith for the Mets. And that's it, guys. Let's do a recap real quick. Here we go. Here's our autos. Grayson for the Tigers. Josh out of 499 for the Rangers. Sergio, can't really say his name. Sergio, there we go. Purple, 250 for the Diamondbacks. And Gilbert for the Brewers. Guys, made it 35 here at BoxBusters.tv. Just completed a 2-box break of 2015 Bowman Chrome. Guys, it is January 18th, 2016. Thank you so much. We're going to be doing Heritage right after this. Thanks, guys.